funky. Let's go, let's go.
Set up your shots. Your ties, Jacob.
Heavy on the head.
Do some fakes in there.
When you're ready, when you're ready. When you're ready, when you're ready.
Move
Stay
around,
low.
move around.
Move. When you're ready, right there. Take it, up. Circle in. Circle in. When he goes forward, you circle in.
Go back, good circle.
Up. Hey! Again. Get ready.
Set that one up again.
Get ready. Heavy. Sprawl.
There you go.
That's you. Up to your feet. Hit it.
Nice.
On top. Hold. Chest on chest. Look up. Hold. Look up.
Elevate his head.
Elevate his head.
Go behind him. Jacob, go behind.
Cover. 2-on-1. Cross face if you want. Cross face. Take it. What we got? Near ankle. Another one. Stay behind.
Run him down.
Double thigh.
Sideways ankle.
Double thigh. Good job. Hold him. Short time. Don't give nothing up.
Ride him out, Jacob. Ride him out.
Pressure on his hands.
All right, stay there.
Hips. Follow. Nothing. Time.
Jacob.
Hey, on your shots, man, you gotta set it up. There's dimes everywhere. Jump to those legs, Tim.
Jacob.
Feet right away.
Jacob. No legs. No legs. No.
Watch the gravity.
Now rotate.
2-on-1. Hips up. Good job.
On your toes.
Get the bar. Follow. Get behind. Face him. It's all right.
Set up your shots. Your time. Move him around.
You move. Be ready. Sprawl. Good. Be ready. Snap down. Snap. Good.
You got a minute.
Yep. Up.
Nice.
Drive up. Don't go. Double up.
Just keep.
Crack down. Great. Crack down. Hey. Back step in. Yes. Circle. Back step. Circle. Tripod circle. Double up.
Pop your head up.
Pop your head up. Watch
your position, Jacob.
Step over, swim. Watch the cradle. Head up. Hey, get the turn. Don't go. Turn it on. Right the hands. 5 seconds. Hold. Great job, kid.
Good stuff.
Great job.
You can't be complacent this round. You need to see.
Hey, get busy. Deep breaths, Jacob. Deep breaths. Hey, fakes. Use your fakes.
Near south, mat 3.
Yeah.
Cancio Ramirez, goes east, mat 3.
Fakes, club dig. Move him. He's coming.
Your ties, Jacob. Your moves. Think smart.
Go, get busy, baby. Get busy, baby.
Don't wait for him. You should be going, Jacob. It's your takedown.
Stay low. Let's go. Work. Give me something.
Come on, Jacob. Your move, Jacob. Why are we waiting?
Hey, let's go. Yep. Keep that.
Nice.
Move.
Set it up.
I need one. Give me something. I need one.
50 seconds, Jacob. You have to score.
Hey, good hand fight. Snap down. Inside time.
Stalling.
Hey, right there. Yes. Right there. Forward pressure. Hey, forward pressure.
No, stalling on Buchanan.
Stalling. Hey, you go fuck.
Let's go. You have to take a shot. Run it.
Circle, circle, circle.
Keep taking it. Yes, trip. Yeah. Hands be heavy here.
Good time.
Good stop.
Jacob,
you have 16 seconds.
We're up. 16 seconds. We're up. Don't be looking up.
Alexander Guzman, Manera South, mat 3. Inicio Ramirez, Hoover East, mat 3.
Jacob, you better go on the whistle. Do not wait. Right here, Jacob. Take him out. Right him down, Jacob.
Rush the baby.
Don't worry about it. Wait. Hey, don't worry about it. Nah, bro, honestly, I didn't know it might have been time, but no, it how fast are you coming this way? Clearly, it's big. I looked up and I see there was 0 there at the edge of the bench. Hey, this is on the table, people. I say we just redo the last 30 seconds. Last 30 seconds redo. It's fair, actually. It's on the table, people. They didn't tap it. Now we're hella late. Yeah.